Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming prerequisites and then take the first actionable steps. Make sure your project uses the desired Python interpreter. This ensures kernels load correctly. Once done, install Jupyter into that interpreter with pip if missing. Open the project settings and enable the scientific tools or Jupyter integration. Then create a new IPN file or convert a Py to notebook to begin. This prepares the environment for the next setup phase. Now continue by selecting and configuring the kernel so code runs reliably. In the notebook view, choose the project interpreter or a dedicated virtual environment as the kernel. This binds notebook execution to the correct Python and packages. If you need a new environment, create it, install Jupyter and required libs, then reselect that kernel. Make sure package versions match your needs to avoid runtime errors. Once kernel connects, run a simple cell to confirm execution before you proceed to finalization. Finish by running the notebook end-to-end and saving a checkpoint. This confirms cells execute in sequence and outputs persist. If the kernel won't start or dies, restart the kernel, then Pycharm. Make sure Jupyter is installed in the interpreter's environment and that path is correct. If problems persist, reinstall Jupyter into the interpreter or recreate the virtual env. One key troubleshooting tip. Check the Pycharm event log and run
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.